Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to another episode of Torque with Armin. Today it's all about terrace drilling at the highest level, and for that I've invited two special experts. First, Philip for wood on wood with his RT5 screw, and Sophia for wood on aluminium with her RTA5 screw. Philip, let's start with RT5. What is this screw used for?
The RT5 is our universal decking drilling screw for all common types of wood or WPC on wooden substructure, whether it's hardwood like bankirai or softwood like larch. You get a clean and splinter-free screw connection finish, thanks to the small stepped head, which gently countersinks the wood, ideal for barefoot areas. The special feature is our compression thread.
Whether it's wood or aluminium, thanks to our screws made of stainless steel A2 or A4, you're always on the safe side. If you want to know more, visit our website, follow us on social media, or simply talk to your REISSER sales representative. Whether it's wood or aluminium, thanks to our screws made of stainless steel A2 or A4, you're always on the safe side. If you want to know more, visit our website, follow us on social media, or simply talk to your REISSER sales representative. Wow, so quite a lot of power in a small format. And the best part? Of course, everything is made in Germany.
Yes, Armin. And actually, every single pack of screws always comes with the matching long bit included.
Here you can see it live.
The RT5 grips immediately, countersinking cleanly into the wood. Fast, clean, strong.
A little tip. For an absolutely uniform screw pattern, I use the REISSER depth stop. It ensures that every screw sits at exactly the same depth, without slipping or leaving pressure marks in the wood.
And the best part? The depth stop protects the material, which is ideal for high-quality terrace. So, Sophia, now it's your turn. The RTA5 already looks quite different.
Yes, the RTA5 is our solution for wood on aluminium substructures in the range of 1.5 to 3.5 millimeter material thickness. The big advantage? No pre-drilling necessary, regardless of the type of wood. The wing-type drill tip first drills open the wood so that it doesn't lift. When it hits the aluminium, the wings break off and the screw drills a clean core hole into the metal. And here you can see it perfectly. The floorboard stays down. Nothing is rising. And the tip grips cleanly into the metal. There are no more wings to be seen here now.
It fits, it holds everything, and it's done. So, to summarize.
RT5, the perfect decking screw for wood-to-wood applications, featuring a compression thread and a clean stepped head.
RTA5, the professional choice for wood on aluminium. No pre-drilling needed thanks to the wing-type drill tip.
Whether it's wood or aluminium, thanks to our screws made of stainless steel A2 or A4, you're always on the safe side. If you want to know more, visit our website, follow us on social media, or simply talk to your REISSER sales representative. Hey, we'll see you. Until the next turning point. Don't be a whiner, come on, screw with REISSER.